Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss Densify by count means create a vertex as per your requirement. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let start. Here is line, single line, and here is other line. So if you want to densify by count, we select it and go to vector, geometry tool, and select here densify by count, and we select here line, selected feature only. You click and we click right on 3, number of vertex 3, and run and close it, and you see again your output is here. You see number of vertex in start and end point 3. So we created successful 3 point. And next you see here this line is big and he have 6 vertex. We create density by count. For create density by count, we go to vector, geometry tool, and density by count, and we select here input and selected feature only, and we write here 3, then run and close it, and you see here again output. Here is output and we select it. You see here densify by count. You see here 1 2 3, 2 vertex in between 3 vertex. So we successfully created densify count in line, and same as we create in polygon. For polygon we select here polygon. Here is polygon, and we create densify by count. Go to vector, geometry tool, densify by count. We select here polygon, and we select here number of vertex. We write here 3, then run and close it. Here is output. We select it. You see here vertex, number of vertex in 3, polygon. So our process line and polygon we completed densify by count. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.